the human baby. Now see, the mind, emotion and the spirit are in the very front stage or the front line. If these three are working in harmony, then most of the thing can be taken properly. Now good health requires a free and harmonized flow of energy. So this way you can enhance the energy, right? Now how many of you have got a knee pain here? Knee pain? Knee pain 1 and 2, right? Since how many months or how many years? 6 years. Have you operated? No surgery? Any injury? No. Are you on any medication? You don't take any medication. Okay? Okay. Do you have diabetic? Okay, fine. How about you? Okay. Well, do you take any medicine for this? Okay. Now we'll learn a simple technique how to correct the flow of energy in the knee. Right? Shall we do that? Okay. All of you comfortably stand. I'm sure I'm not texting you. Sure? It's not compulsory. It's mandatory. If you don't want to do, you can comfortably in your chair, in your Sihasan. Okay. Now here, try to lift up your feet. Jitna upar ho sake. If you want, you can take the support from the wall. Take support leke bhi kare. Do it. Okay. Do it 3-4 times. Slowly. Do it slowly. Okay. Leave it now. Now leave it. Now you just give a little movement to your knee and see it got relaxed. Feeling better? Right. Now learn a very beautiful thing. Stand like this. Look at me what I am doing. Okay, now just check. Now do it reverse also. Clockwise, anti-clockwise both. Huh? Equal amount. 9 times, then both the 9 times. Right? How do you feel now? Feeling better? Bit relaxed? Feeling?
I'm not feeling that betterment.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to.
You?
Within a 5.
Okay. Now here, since we have learned zone therapy, your knee is connected to your elbow. Right? Now the twist to your elbow, give elbow. Now reverse twist, reverse. Twist. Give a twist to your elbow. जितना ज्यादा करके उतना को खींचो. ये भी फ्री ऑफ चार्ज टेक्निक है, पैसा नहीं लगने वाला है. जो फ्री मिलता है प्रेम से करो. Okay, now look to your knee. Bit better, bit comfortable, right? So these are the technique. Now what we did, the blockage of energy, we will try to remove the hindrance, blockage, and then the energy start, then your pain. Now very important thing that, take your seat, please, thank you, and God bless you. Now very simple technique. Now ठीक है, close your eyes, inhale as deep as you can, and imagine that you go to your inhale deeply and go to the region. Keep your both hand, touch with that hand, right, and see that your oxygen goes there. Once it goes there, your pain, your swelling will also come automatically down. Now here we have 3 basic sources of getting energy. One is we get from our parents, right? Now, so that's why I told you, before consuming 1 year, your energy should be very positive. Okay? Don't see horror TV. Eat properly, all those things. Probably when it is ready by next week, I'll give you that chart. So that parents should be very careful if they want a very good child. Now today, you come and tell me that I'm having asthma. Now asthma, your parents are also equally responsible. Right? But now, since the time has gone, we have to treat at a different level. Then the next is that we get something from genetic also. Now all genetic thing you can correct by your navel, because navel, we are born through navel. जब भी एक बच्चा माँ के पेट से आता है, it is connected with the navel, right? So navel. Now who will guide about the correction of navel? Come, Wajibdar madam. Come. Wajibdar advocate ઘરમાં મોટા માણસ છે. Come on, guide about करके ऐसे नहीं कि अभी लाए और हर बच्चे की बॉलिंग करके डाला. It's not a googly. It's a practical experience what we have done since years together. And my most of the technique is known by Anil Bhai. We'll request him to share whatever he experienced in his day-to-day life. Now see, then we have another energy what we get it from our food. Now my friend, please remember here, now we are in the season of a mango. Basically half-full curry. Half-full khana hoga, then you get it confirmed that it is ripened without powder. Otherwise you are inviting more decaying in the body. It is better that you don't eat half-full, eat only pairi or kesar. Because I am selling kesar curry. Not like that. Because what you have learned very recently, to medical science says. And then, what breathe we inhale and exhale. For that we should learn 3-step rhythmic breathing. My request that all of you should practice that to enjoy good health. Are you aware about 3-step? If it is something new for you, then probably next time we'll keep 1 second on 3-step. We'll video the CD and we'll understand how to do, and there is a lot of practical on that. Now here, there are 3 different energy. We get it through our air. Here in Mumbai, we are so lucky that we get everything polluted. Water polluted, air polluted, thought is also polluted. What is not polluted here? Even relationship also polluted. Right? So it is difficult to get everything pure in Mumbai, and that's a secret of a Mumbai ka good health. Immunity, otherwise we can't survive. Now see, Jing, J-I-N-G, Jing is the essential energy residing in the kidneys. Jing is the essential energy which is in the kidney, and they govern the growth and reproduction. Right? Jing, it is responsible for reproduction and growth. Now, your kidneys are here. Now, kindly rub your both the hand, rigorously rub, as much as you can rub, and then after doing, don't do like this, please. Rub it. Madam, if you sit like this, then you are inviting your knee pain. Rub, rigorously rub. Now go to your kidney, inhale and exhale slowly, inhale. When you inhale, see that all energy going to kidney. Inhale. And when you exhale, listen, what are we supposed to do? When you inhale, you are inhaling good energy. So let it go there. When you exhale, just understand that you are removing the garbage and throwing out. Right? This is the way you can charge your kidneys. Right? So they are transferring the energy. So now this is the growth and reproduction. Okay. Now there is another energy which is known as Shen, X-H-E-N. So Jing Shen is the Chinese medicine for energy and growth. But we don't want to get it from China. Why our Indian currency should go to China when we get it free of charge? Mother Nature has given us that. Right? So your both the hands are Jin and Sheng. This is Jin and Sheng. Right? So all energy God has given in our hand. So instead of going and spending money, understand, learn and use this. Right? Again, this is free of charge. Now, Shen energy is residing in the heart. Heart यानी प्यार, मोहब्बत, पवित्रता, ठीक है? Responsible for human awareness and consciousness. Now, how to do this technique on the heart? Keep your both the hand on heart. Keep your both the hand heart. Close your eyes and inhale. Count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Exhale. Do it with lot of love. This will help you to improve your heart attack, blood circulation, and all heart ailments. Keep it on your heart. Om bhai, यहाँ पे नहीं, यहाँ पे रखो, यहाँ पे. How many of you do this mala? Jap mala कोई करता है? Now see, when you do jap mala, sit like this and keep mala near your heart. And the moment you change the beats, right? See, when you change the beats, it creates some sound, and that sound could meet the heart sound. ये दोनों का जो मैचिंग हो गया, then this is the good remedy for heart attack. Because then sound vibration works. See, you chant a mantra, right? So mantra is one sound, like you chant the beat, that is also sound, and this is the sound. So body, mind and spirit, three sounds create the heart.